Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show how to make a casino in Lua. So in this program, the purpose of this casino is to show how much the player has won or lost, and how many players have entered the casino. So at the end of the program, after we close this input, it will show the winner of the match, winner of the casino. So uh, basically, we will be creating two tables. One is inside and the players. So inside will store the players which are inside the casino, and players is the total winnings or losses of the players. So this will read the input line by line using the gmatch function, which is a string matching character in Lua, which wherein we will be checking through the line by line of the input we give. So here we will be extracting the name, action, and the amount. So in here we'll be using line called match. So match is like a function in Lua which will check the um, characters which will be entering using regular expression. So percentage s star means there can be a space or not, and a percentage s plus, which is a string and it should have a space, and a percentage s, which is space plus, which should have a space, and again percentage s plus, which should have something after it, and again percentage s star, percentage minus question mark, percentage d star. So this is to check if the amount which we are entering, which may or may not be, because we have enters and leaves. So if we have wins and this number, it will add that amount. So if the action is enters, if the player is already inside the casino, then it will say the player is already inside the casino. If not, it will make inside of the name which we enter to true, and players of name is equal to players of name or 0. So it will again re-update players of name to, or it will be 0. If action is wins, and if the player is not inside the casino, then it will show is not the it will say the player is not inside the casino, so that so he can't do anything anything like increment the points or decrease the points. So amount is equal to number amount. This will convert amount from string to number. So in number is a method in Lua, which is to convert the string to number. So even there is string, which will convert the number to a string or any other data type. And then we have players of name, which will increment the player's name plus the amount in their name. And then we have leaves, which will which will make the inside of the name nil. And then after all the players leaves, it will show this name dot dot has one dot dot player's name, which player has one. So then we have this dash dash dash, which is and we are using a string dot repeat string dot rep. So string dot rep is nothing but repetition, which will repeat the symbol, which will repeat the character dash 10 times, the number 10. And then we have the sorted players for name comma winning. If the player is inside, it will insert the sorted player with the name and the winning to the winning. And in table.sort we have we'll sort the sorted underscore players with the type of filter we'll be using, which is so here we have an anonymous function which is function a comma b. So it's like how we have for underscore. So for underscore is nothing but an anonymous, the underscore is nothing but an anonymous variable which you have right here. And when a function has no name, it is an anonymous name which can be anything. So we'll return a dot name lesser than b dot name, which will sort players alphabetically, and then print remaining players and winnings. So if I run the code now, so everything gets updated. We have Anna wins 50, then we have Anna wins minus 200, so minus 200 plus 50 is minus 150, which is the final winnings of Anna. And then we have we have Ben enters and James enter 2, Michael 2 enters, and then we have Ben has 140, James has 130. So after this dash 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 we have Ben has 140 because the match will happen between Ben, Michael and James, because Anna already left. And so yeah, later on I'll explain how the bag of words work in Lua. Thank you.